Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello. How are you, kids? I hope you all are safe. Yes. Before going to the topic, I will say you one good habit, children. Everyone knows plants, trees. Yes. See, plants, what they will give us? Tell me, what they will give us? They will give us fruits, vegetables, fresh air to breathe. What we are breathing, as we are taking oxygen to inside and we will giving carbon dioxide outside. As you know that, because of plants, we are living because of plants. Everyone should save the plant. Yes, you should save the plant and you should pour the water. Understood, children? Daily you should pour the water and you should plant a tree. At least one plant you should plant a tree. Understood, children? Everyone should follow this, children. If you follow this, your future also become bright. Understood? If you save trees, our future also become bright because of plants. Because gives us oxygen. Our environment will become cool, fresh air we will get. As if you get polluted air, what will happen, children? If you get polluted air, what will happen? We will get sick. Yes, if you breathing problem, everything will come. That's why you should plant a tree and save the tree. Okay, children, everyone should follow this. Please follow this. You should say to others also, plant a tree and pour the water, like that. Okay, children? Standard form, expanded form, place value chart. How to draw place value chart? Write place value in numbers in place value. Yes, today how to write in numbers in place value chart. Okay, let's learn this. See, you know already ones, tens. Yes, this is ones place, this is tens place. You should draw first like this. Okay, ones place, tens place, because two numbers only is there. Yes, in ones place which number is there? 4. That 4 you should write here. Tens place which number is here? 3. The 3 you should write here. Next, again you should draw the column. See, ones place, tens place. Ones place which number is here? 6. That 6 you should write. Tens place which number is here? 8. That 8 you should write here. And next, see, 1, 2, 3. 3 columns you should draw. 1, 1, 2, 3. Ones, tens, hundreds. Yes. Hundreds place which number? Ones place which number? 3. Tens place which number? 4. Hundreds place which number? 4. Understood, children? Again, should draw column. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. See, ones place 3, tens place 6, hundreds place 5. Understood, children? You should write like this. See, already I told you we have place value chart also. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, like that. Yes. This is, you should write like this in the place value chart. These numbers. Write in your classwork. See, children, write the given numbers in expanded form. Expanded form means what? See, listen. This is 49. You know place value of this as ones place, tens place. In tens place which number is here? 4. 4 means what? 40. Plus 1's place which number? 9. That 9 should write like this. What you did this? This number you expanded like this. As see 1's place, 10's place. Again in 10's place which number is here? 5. That 5 tenths means what? 50. It will become 50. In 1's place 6. 6 means what? 6 ones only you should write. Okay. See, we expanded this number to, this is standard form. That standard form we expanded like this. Understood? Now, 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. Already you know that. Now, 100's place, which number is here? 4. 4 means 400's, 400. 400 means 400. Yes? In 10's place, 9 means 90. Because 9 tenths, 90. 1's place 6. That 6 you should write like this. See, 1's, 10's, 100's. 100, 500 means 500. 4 tenths, 40. 8 ones. This is called expanded form. Understood, children? 736. See, 700 because 1's, 10's, 100's. Yes, 700 plus 30 means 3 means 3 tenths, 30 plus 6. Understood, children? Expanded form. This is called expanded form. This is standard form. That standard form we convert into expanded form. Understood, children? See, place value. If you know place value, you can write expanded form also. Write in the classwork. See, children, for example, write the given numbers in standard form. See, 400 plus 50 plus 6. See, 400 plus 50 plus 6. If you add this, which number? See, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 5, 5. Here, 4. See, 456. 456. This is called standard form. Okay. If you add these numbers, which number will come? That is called standard form. See, 900 plus 60 plus 7. See, how will write standard form? 967. Yes. If you add this number will come. Next, 5000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 3. See, 5890 plus 3. If you add this, what will happen? 3985. 5893. Yes, this is called standard form. Understood, children? This is expanded form. This is standard form. Already I said you expanded form. How to do standard form to expanded form, expanded form to standard form. Understood? See, one more. 4000 plus 700 plus 0 plus 8. See, 4708. Understood? In tens place, any number is not there. That's why 0 you should write. Next, 3000 plus 900 plus 70 plus 5. 3975. Understood, children? This is expanded form, this is standard form. See, expanded form to standard form you should write. Again, standard form to expanded form you should write. Learned or not how to do? Already I said you how to do expanded form. Standard form to expanded form. Now expanded form to standard form you should write. Okay? Write in the classwork. See, children, write the number name of each of the following numbers. See, how you will write this number? Ones place, tens place, hundred place. Place value you know. Yes. In the place, hundreds place, which number is here? 3. That's why you should write 300. 300 and tens place which number? 6. 6 means what? 60. Because in tens place is there 6. 6 tens means what? 60. Ones place which number is there? 3. That 3 you should write here. Okay? 363. What is that number name? 363. Here. Ones place, tens place. Ones place which number is here? 5. Tens place 7. 7 tens means what? 70. 75. Understood, children? Next. See. In ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 900 and 84. 984. See, 700 and 65. Because see, ones, tens, hundreds you should check. First you should check place values. After that you should expand and you should write in the number names. Understood, children? See, write in this in the classwork. I will give you homework also, children. You should write. Page number 12 open, children. Workbook page number 12. Fill in the blanks. The number name of 346 is 300. Already they given. You should fill the blanks next. Again 706. You should expand this. Already they given 700. Tens place which number is there? That one you should write here. Next, the expanded form of the number 626. See, already 20 they given, 6 they given. You should write hundreds plus which number is there? That one you should write. Next, what is the place value of the digit 9 in the number 269? Place value of the 9 you should write. Write the number name of the number shown by the following blocks. See, here they given the blocks S. Already I told you. What is this? This is 100. S. Blocks here 10 blocks. 10 blocks is equal to 110. 100 blocks is equal to 100. 1 block. Understood? You should add this. and you should write number name. Understood? Next, write the expanded form of 673. Expanded form you should write. Okay? Next, write the expanded form of the number shown by the following blocks. Also, write its name, number name. You should write numbers and you should add, and you should write the number name also. Okay? See how many is there? Hundreds, 1, 2, 3 hundreds. How many tens here? 4 tens. How many ones? 4 ones. Yes, should write. And what you have to do? You should expanded form also you should write, and you should write the number name. Write the number name of. You should write the number name of these two numbers. Okay, children? Do it. Page number 12 and 13. This is your homework, children. Children, this is your homework. Do the page number 13 in workbook. Okay, do this in workbook. Do properly, children. Okay, we will meet again in the next class. Bye, children. Bye.